So if you ever wanted to know how to do corned beef brisket in your Instant Pot, I'm going to show you. It's real simple, doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Doesn't have to be St. Patrick's Day to enjoy wonderful corned beef brisket. So the one I bought is, as you can see here, you've probably seen these in the grocery store before. Might have been a little intimidated because, hey, it's a big, huge chunk of meat, but with the Instant Pot, it's actually pretty simple. This one is 4 pounds. So, all you gotta do after you take it out of the packaging, I like to score it. And you're gonna have the fatty side up when you put it in the pot. So, after you score it, you're gonna add some liquid smoke, which I have already actually put just a little thin layer, barely enough to cover the bottom of the pot. Then you're gonna add some garlic, which I added, and then just a little layer of seasoning salt over the top. Once you do that, and seasoning salt I actually haven't added yet, so just a light dusting. And this is a peppercorn mix that actually came with the corned beef itself. You can use it or not. I tend to like it. So I'm gonna scatter that over the top as well. We'll spread it around. That's all you gotta do. So we'll close her up like so, lock it into place. Now for a 4 pounder, you're gonna cook it for 1 hour and 40 minutes. So you're gonna put it on the pressure cook setting on the bottom right. And you see the time gauge pop up. So we're gonna put it to, and I wish there was a way to 1 hour and 40 minutes. Sorry for the incessant beeping sound. All right, and then the Instant Pot itself is going to click over and engage. Now, the other thing you want to make sure of is the pressure thing on top. I want to make sure this is not in the vent position. So I've turned it away from the vent position. And that's legit all you got to do. After it gets done, you can let it depressurize by itself over time. And of course, you can always go like this on top, and you can vent it more quickly. It's gonna make your whole house smell like delicious corned beef brisket after you vent it. And that's all you gotta do. So if you've ever been, hey, big hunk of meat, I can screw this up. I could get a 5-year-old to make this. And it's absolutely delish for sandwiches or with mashed potatoes or what have you. So thanks for watching.